How to set up recurring tasks. On Monday.com, you can do this in 7 simple steps. 1. Open your board. Navigate to your workspace and select the board where you want to set up recurring tasks. 2. Click on Automations. In the top right corner, click on Automate to access the automation settings. 3. Select a trigger. Choose the trigger. Every X days, weeks, months to schedule when the task should repeat. 4. Define the task action. Select Create an item and enter the task details, such as title, due date, and assigned person. 5. Add task properties. You can specify details like status, priority, and dependencies to keep everything organized. 6. Save and activate. Click Save to enable the automation, and your task will now repeat automatically at the set interval. 7. Modify or delete any time. If you need to change the schedule, return to the Automation Center and adjust the settings.